Virtuous Lady. Virtuous Lady.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Virtuous Lady. On this channel, my goal is to motivate, inspire, and to encourage you to live your best life to the fullest. As you can see from this title, Pretty in Pink, we're going to be doing a Pretty in Pink tablescape. And recently I've been doing quite a bit of tablescapes. Isn't it nice sometimes to not just have the same tablescape all the time? And right now I'm in the mood where I'm changing up quite often. So you're going to see quite a few because I'm thrifting. I'm doing a lot of thrifting, able to get more things at a cheaper price. And a lot of the items that I'm going to be using in this particular video are things that I thrifted from that you'll see on a previous video from a thrift haul. So I'm going to be showing you basically how I used them. So for those that are tuning in for the first time, I'd like to say welcome to each and every one of you. And for those that are returning, thank you, especially to my subscribers. If this is content that you think you'll like, please feel free to give me a thumbs up at the end of this video. And also please feel free to leave a comment and to subscribe. Feel free to subscribe to this channel that way, and to hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified every single time that I upload a video. Usually it's on Wednesdays, but sometimes I throw in some extra ones, and that way you will not miss out. So at this time, I'm just going to talk a little bit about the thrifting and how you can save money. What I generally do with my centerpieces, as you will see, I don't put them all together unless it's a centerpiece that I really like and want to keep. For the most part, I use them where I can reuse them. It's a lot easier for me to get more space, more storage, being able to just take them apart and reuse them on another centerpiece. Unless it's something, like I said, I really like that I just want to keep that particular centerpiece. So I'm going to be basically, outside of just two that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, all the other florals were florals that I've used in previous videos and previous centerpieces. So at this time, we are going to get started, and I'm going to walk you through. I am going to first start by cleaning the table off right quick. Okay, the table is now nice and clean. The first thing I'm going to do, I got this last year at Michael's. It was $24.99. I bought two of them. I also have a blush color, rose color. And I bought two so I can use it on my dining room table as well. And I'm going to use this basically for the center. These are the placemats that I thrifted, and that will be in my haul when I did my thrift haul. And on this particular tablescape, I am not going to be using a tablecloth, but I'm going to be using just the placemats. The next thing I'm going to be using are these beautiful chargers. They're in a silver color. And I did go ahead and get these from the Dollar Tree. I like the scallop edge. I think they are absolutely beautiful. And it will look stunning with this spring tablescape. The next thing are the white plates. And I'm going to angle this just a little closer. The next thing will be is the cutlery. I don't change up my cutlery too much. I do have a couple gold sets, but I don't change up every time that I have set a dinner table. Let me know in the comment section below if you're the same way as well. And these are our glasses. Just a regular goblet type glass. This is just a regular glass tier plate, plate plate. I'm going to sit this in the middle for the tablescape, centerpiece rather. And I'm going to use, this is one of my hauls that I got from the thrift store. It's almost like the depression glass. I guess that's what it's called. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. I don't know. But anyway, it just fits perfectly. These right here are some florals that I picked up. I had most of these last year. These I got this year from the Dollar Tree. Actually, a few days ago. And I just got 2 of them. So I'm going to remove the tags from all of these and then we'll finish. Okay, I just moved this place setting just so I can get a closer view for you. These right here, these are really pretty. I got them from Joann Fabrics last year. And the price was $3.99. And I got them for 60% off. You can do so much with these because you can also wrap them around a napkin and use them as a napkin ring or anything. So I'm using basically what I have. And I'm going to start off with this. Got these from Walmart. Lamb's ear. And I'm just going to have them coming on either side, have them bent over a little. This I had left over as well from last year. And this is not a permanent fixture, so I'm not too concerned with trying to put anything in the bottom to hold it. Because I find out with me it works out better. I have a problem with storage. So when I finish with a table or a floor arrangement, not unless it's something that I know that I'm going to be using again. Usually when I'm done with it, I'm done with it. And I take it apart so that I can reuse the pieces. I'm going to fuss with this just a little just to get it the way I want it. These are the Dollar Tree ones that I just picked up. And what you want to do, basically just open them out. Put them in here and just open them, spread them wide. See if I can bring this up just a little higher. I'm going to spread these wide. And that gives it a more of a full effect. Now I'm going to put these back in here. Because these are shorter ones. And on the front, this is the one from Joann Fabrics. I'll shorten this just a little bit. What I do a lot of times is just bend them. Here we go. Now how does that look? Beautiful. To finish the center off, I have 3 more of these. And I'm just going to kind of lay them around the bottom. Lay one there. Lay one here. And this big one I'm going to lay right on the side here. I'm thinking, on second thought, okay, getting back, I'm putting the bowls here. Right in the center of the plate. These are napkins that I've already had. They're like linen napkins. These were also Restore. They're a lot smaller than the ones that I normally use, and I'm going to take them from the middle and just pull it. These were pieces that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. No, I'm sorry, I got these from Michael's, and I broke the ends off. And I'm just turning them into a circle. Doing that, I'm going to slide this right onto here. And I'm just going to lay this right here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other ones as well. This is how we're looking so far. I think this came out absolutely beautiful. And get a full effect of it. And I have two options here. This is one of the pieces that I thrifted. And actually it is a lantern. And I'm going to actually light this if I can get this going. These are some, extra greenery that I had from another project, another centerpiece. And this is why I tell you that I don't keep all my pieces. I don't make them permanent because I like to be able to interchange them. And I'm going to add this on both sides of it. This way it gives the table more of a, you get the same look from both sides. And it's not a one-sided centerpiece. There we are. Have a couple pieces left. And I'm going to take this and just kind of intertwine, basically just bending it a little so it can go right around the base of this. And what this will do is fill in the gaps. It's going to look more fuller. So this is one look. I think it looks absolutely stunning. This is the overall look on how everything looks. So quiet, so soft, so serene, so inviting. Pretty in Pink Tablescape is ready for your company for the summer, as we are yet still in spring. And it looks absolutely beautiful, using just what I had and the items that I thrifted from my thrift haul. And I will leave that link in the description box below. But I need your help. I have two, and I'd like to have your opinion on which one that you prefer. This is centerpiece number 2. I'm using an ivory bowl that I thrifted. I also have some glass rocks. And they are clear, light pink, and white. I'm going to fill this up with some water. I have a floating candle in the shape of a flower that I thrifted. And I'm going to attempt to light this. And what I want to be careful of is just this big flower. And on the front of this is not the best. My computer's not working. But this is the glass, look like depression glass type thing. And I just put the word live on here. And I don't know, maybe it'd do better moving this around a little bit. There we go. And this is the centerpiece number 2. Let me give you a close-up. I left the water level a little low because of the flower. I didn't want it to bring it up too high. And always remember to clip your wicks, because if you don't, it will come up really, really high. On this sign, of course, you can put happy birthday, you can put welcome, happy Mother's Day, tea time. So this is centerpiece number 2. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Centerpiece number 1 or this one, centerpiece number 2. And as you can see, when you're doing a tablescape, you want to try to have the centerpiece so it can be viewed. It'll get viewed from all 4 directions. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you for watching the video. I trust that you got some tips or some ideas or some that you can use what you have and buy what you need. Thrifting saves me so much money. And as you can see, you can have an elegant table setting. Right now we are doing just little things at a time as far as entertaining due to the pandemic. We're not having big crowds or nothing like that. So you're going to see, you know, some intimate table settings of just for 4 or something like that. But you can do it on a shoestring budget, as you see. So there are 2 centerpieces that I used. And I'd like for you to help me out and give me your opinion. So when I do set it up for company, you can let me know which one was your favorite. All right, was it number 1 with the lantern, or was it number 2 with the floating candle? Okay, leave it in the comment section below and let me know. And at this time, please feel free to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, please feel free to subscribe, share if anyone that you know that may have trouble or getting ideas for tablescapes, share it with someone else. And also hit the notification bell. Leave your comment. At this time, happy tablescaping to each and every one of you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.